OpenAI plus Dell bring Codex on-prem, enterprise AI procurement changes. OpenAI just partnered with Dell to bring Codex into hybrid and on-prem enterprise environments, a big signal that AI agents are becoming procurement grade. Here's what changed, why it matters for regulated orgs, and a simple checklist for what to do next. OpenAI and Dell just announced a partnership to bring Codex into hybrid and on-prem enterprise environments. In plain English, they're trying to make AI agents usable in the places where the most valuable, and most restricted, work actually lives. Most AI coverage is about model capability. But in enterprises, adoption bottlenecks are governance and deployment. If Codex can't touch the repo, the tickets, the docs, and the approval trail safely, it's a demo, not a system. OpenAI says more than 4 million developers use Codex every week and companies are already using it across the SDLC, code review, test coverage, incident response, and reasoning across large repositories. The key signal, Codex is positioning as an enterprise agent, not a novelty tool. In regulated environments, the hard rule is simple: some data doesn't leave your controlled boundary. Code bases, incident logs, customer data, internal docs, these are exactly what agents need to be useful. On-prem and hybrid options aren't a nice to have, they're the admission ticket. If this works, value shifts toward whoever can bundle infrastructure, governance, and agent tooling into one enterprise viable package. Winners are the vendors who can ship agents with controls. Losers are tools that require risky data movement or don't integrate into enterprise systems. There are real questions: how much of this is shipping now versus exploring integrations, what controls exist for agent actions, and how enterprises validate that outputs are safe. If the controls aren't there, procurement will stall, no matter how good the model is. Not used for this topic. This looks like a real step toward procurement-grade agents: put the agent closer to where the data and workflows already live, and wrap it in enterprise controls. But the proof will be in shipping timelines and governance defaults. So here's the question: does on-prem Codex unlock agents in your org, or do you still not trust them near systems of record? 1 May 18, 2026, OpenAI/Dell partnership announcement date. 4 million developers every week, Codex weekly usage claim, OpenAI source. 3 hybrid plus on-prem enterprise environments, stated deployment target, OpenAI source. 4 software development lifecycle, review, tests, incidents, examples of current usage, OpenAI source. 1 one-page summary. 2 links mentioned. 3 key terms explained: hybrid, on-prem, systems of record, audit logs. 4 pilot workflow templates, SDLC plus knowledge work. 5 watch list plus risks, governance defaults, shipping timelines, not financial advice. Educational analysis only. #AI #OpenAI #Dell #Codex #Enterprise AI #AI agents.